This consultation for me demonstrates a significant step forward in Welsh Government's commitment to protecting children. If accepted, this will see Wales leading the way yet again in protecting children's rights. There's been a lot of misinformation circulating during debates about this topic over recent months. Here are the facts. Welsh Government does not want to create a new criminal offence. Welsh Government does not want to criminalise parents. What Government does want to do is to ensure children living in Wales are afforded the same protection in the law as adults. Hitting or smacking a child is never loving or caring. I see no reasonable arguments against the ambition of this consultation. I hope many parents and carers will take time to read the Government's plans so that they are reassured that this isn't about turning good parents into criminals. It isn't telling parents how to parent. It's about providing the same protection for children as we provide adults in Wales.